Hi y'all. If you are missing work for me, the two biggest things that are bringing your grades down is something called the reading survey and then something else called the check-in 9/10-11. So the first one, reading survey, that is here in our week 2 folder. If you click here, you can see it right there. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Week 2 folder, reading survey. So if you click on the reading survey, it's going to open it here, and you can go ahead and fill it out there. Just make sure that you get all the way to the bottom, you answer everything, and then you hit submit. You can also click on this box with the little arrow here, and it'll open it in a new tab. And again, just make sure you answer all the questions and you hit submit. Then for the other assignment, let's go ahead and go back to the home page for the course. That check-in, that one is a quiz grade. So if you are missing your check-in, it's really bringing your grade down. So you go to our week 3 folder. There it is, 9/10 check-in, or if you are in one of my other classes, it might say 9/11 check-in. So let's go ahead and look at that too. So this one, again, another form, right? And you can see here, there's one page, right, with some basic info, but then you see here, it's not the submit button, but it is the next button. So you have to answer these questions, right? Then you have to answer these questions. And then finally you have to answer these questions, and then you can hit submit. So you have not turned it in until you've hit this submit button. So make sure you answer all those questions, hit submit. Alright y'all, make sure you get this work done so that your grade is passing for this progress report coming on Monday. Bye.